Okay, we're working on You Have to Shake It. You should have the whole piece now, hands together, as slowly as you like, right up to the end of bar 22, beginning of 23. So, and then there's like a little play out section, which is a little bit, it's not really hard, but it's just a bit fiddly. So I've left this to last, just to get the main body of the piece in place. So on bar 22, you've gone, and then it looks like you're going to play that C, but actually it's that C this time. So look, can we just compare something? If you go back to bar 10 on the first page, can you see it goes, and that C, there's no 8VB thing written under it. Now, jump ahead to second page, bar 22, 4 lines down, similar thing, but the C has got 8VB written under it, so it's going to be right down here with your thumb. So it looks quite confusing. Let me just play it to you first of all so you can hear what's going to go on. There we go, and you can hear my squeaky pedal there as I play it at the end. Right, so sounds quite complicated, doesn't it? But actually, we've got a bass line that does this. So you start on, so bar 23, you play your C, make sure you go for the lower C, okay, because it's got 8VB under it. And remember, it's only the bottom, the left-hand part, because your right hand's going to be playing some things in bass clef here, just to really confuse things. But it's only the left hand that's taking things an octave lower than they're written. So you start on a C, and you hold it for 3. It's a minim tied to a quaver. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3. Then you play the C again and go C, B flat, A flat, which is the beginning of the next bar. You hold that for 3. Then you're going to repeat the A flat, but with your second. A flat, G, G flat, F. I'm on the last line now. And that's tied as well as 3 beats, so it's a minim tied to another quaver. The next F has got loco written under it, which is cancelling out this octave lower business. So although it looks like the same note, it's actually an octave higher. And it goes F, E flat, D, C, hold your C, add your G, and I'm going to show you straight away the rest of the right hand chord, which is E, B flat, D sharp. So look at your last 2 bars, all that really complicated looking stuff, it's just this, C, G, E, B flat, D sharp. And you can put your pedal on so you get, there, right. So I'm going to go over that again. So do try and work from the music. Don't just memorize what I've done here, because you'll find it a lot easier to play if you just can keep referring it to the music. So bar 23 goes C, 2, 3, C, B flat, A flat. Now same note, second finger, down in semitones, last line on F, up an octave, F, E flat with your third if you can manage it, D, and then C, G, E, B flat, D sharp. So you might want to freeze the video and just go back over that. But then when you're ready, we can just drop in the right hand bit that goes over this. So bar 23, your right hand does this. Now look back to the beginning of the piece. That's the very first thing you play in the piece. It's only you go, but you're just going to do that chord once. Can you see it in bar 23? So it goes, and then next bar, you go, where's the right hand part gone? It's gone down into the bass clef. You see where it says RH? That is now what your right hand plays. And the notes are E flat, A flat with a C, back to the E flat, ending on 2 flats like that. Okay, so I'll go back over that. So first one, moving it down. Last line, moving down again. Now, you have played these notes elsewhere. You played that in bar 5, but you played it up here. But you're just going to do it down here and go. And that's it, because then you're into the last bit. So I'll show you that again. So first position, like the beginning of the piece, bar 23. Move it down to E flat. Bar 25, move it down to C. And then the end. If you need to freeze the video, go back over things, or I can just show you how that looks put together. So going from bar 23. Pedal on. I'm getting slower and slower and slower in the end. Do you notice nothing actually happens at the same time? It's left hand, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Okay, so I'll show you that again. So left, right hand. Left hand walks down, right hand replies. Left hand walks down, right hand replies. Octave higher, left hand. And there we have it. And that's your whole piece. Good luck.